Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
The Touareg V6 Black Edition 3-litre TDI at a whopping 286PS 4MOTION comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a silicone grey metallic finish and it looks remarkable. The car's been well maintained during its life cycle by its two previous owners. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior bodywork. The car has 21-inch Suzuka black alloy wheels, which does come with the air suspension as this is the bigger alloys. As you can see here, we also have a factory fitted tow bar with trailer assist. It's power folding and is an upgraded option to the vehicle. An electric tailgate, simply hold the button of the key and you can access the boot directly. Great if you have your hands filled with shopping, for example. A long boot space, big enough to fit stuff like suitcases inside, with additional storage space, and you also have your subwoofer for your upgraded Dynaudio sound system in the boot there. ISO fixed points in the back for a child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a full climate control for the rear passengers. The multifunction steering mode does give access to the dashboard display, which we're doing this soon, and as you can see, we do have the leather interior upholstery, creating a really remarkable design to it, and also a panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, and due to the colossal size, everyone in the car can read the benefits. Memory functionality for the driver's seat as well. DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, audio, and your navigation. You have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And over on that left hand side, we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst traveling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. As you can see here, it's very easy to access. This colossal infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options, like our drive mode selection, with a wide array of different drive modes to choose from. Whether you're in snow, everyday driving, or you want to be a bit more fuel efficient, there is a driving profile for you. And as this car is a 4MOTION, it's great all year round, as it is all-wheel drive. As you can see here, we also have App Connect, which is your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and your MirrorLink, allowing you to safely display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music, and even Google Maps and Waze navigation, if you do prefer that over the native nav system. It does offer a whole new perspective to the infotainment screen and offering elements of entertainment. The car also features parking sensors and cameras. The cameras are 360, and as you can see here, you can take a look at the different camera angles. What's great about the Touaregs is you can actually stitch them to create this essentially 3D world, which is a nice addition because it offers more control while it's looking at those different camera angles as well. The car also features heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. What does set this apart from the standard heated seats that you see on other cars is the fact that you can actually target which area you want the heat to directly affect. And the same again for your front passenger. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.